Hi, I'm really bored. What should I do? Oh, I got a text. Ding. Hi, girl. It's City Babe. I want fidgets that are all pink. Okay. Some of you don't know that I'm actually the fidget queen. And City Babe wants fidgets all pink. So let's see if I have anything all pink. So, I have this pink teddy bear Orby. This Orbeez teddy bear. That's pink. I have these pop tubes that are pink. Let's see. I have this pink heart and this unicorn noodle. Let's see what else I have. Oh, okay, there's a lot. I also have 2 mini ones and and another big pop tube. Let's see what else. Oh, I have this pink star and this light pink one. I think it's glow in the dark. And I'm gonna say this counts. And it's hearts. What else? Oh, this pink, I forgot what it's called, but it goes like this. Let's see, do I have any more pink squishies? I don't know. Oh, I have this pink unicorn Orbeez stress ball. And let's see if I have one more. Oh, I see one. Okay. Whoa, okay. So I have this slow rise cake. All right. Let's text her. Hey, I got your order already. I just need to organize. Okay, be there soon. Perfect. Organize. I'll go like that. These 2 pockets can go here. And I have lots of pop tubes. So they'll all go to the side. Oh, and this one will go here. This one can go here. My monkey noodle. This and this can go here. All right, let's wait for her. Hey, I'm here. Oh my gosh, is this all for me? Yep, take it. Thank you. Actually, I have a lot of time, so I can actually stay at your house for a little bit. Yes, that's awesome. So, how did you get all these fidgets? I just have them.